Drug companies here in the United States are tired of kind of letting their profit party slip through their fingers. So according to a new report from Lee Fong over at The Intercept, they're planning in coming months to jack up the prices on the COVID-19 vaccines that some of them developed thanks to billions of dollars of government investment. Lee Fong says that Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and Moderna, the big three basically with the vaccines, are planning this price hike once they believe that the pandemic is under control. Again, these are vaccines that some of them made with money from us. We already paid for it. And they're going to jack up the prices even more. And right now, as it stands, the government is covering a lot of the costs for the price of these vaccines. So the government would get price gouged if the prices go up, even though they've, again, already paid for them. For the rest of us, our insurance is covering 100% of it, so that's great. But the insurance companies are going to have to pay more money, which I'm sure is going to come back and bite us, the consumers, eventually. But that's small potatoes compared to what else this means, and this is the big part of it. There are plenty of countries around the world that already are struggling to get their hands on these vaccines because they can't afford it at the prices it's currently being sold for. If these prices increase, what this means is that if you're not from a wealthy, affluent country, you may not ever get the vaccine. Your government may not be able to afford to secure doses for you, and you may just have to let this pandemic continue to run its course. What happens when that happens, by the way, folks? Oh, you may think, yeah, but we're okay. We got vaccinated, so to hell with these poor countries. We rely on these countries. Poor or not, we rely on them. Some of them make our goods that we sell here in the United States. Some of them conduct vital agricultural services that we depend on here in the United States. Not to mention the fact that if this virus, because we've already seen this happen in just 1 year, continues to grow and spread uncontrollably, it'll continue to mutate. And the more it mutates, the less likely it is that the vaccine that you got is going to protect you from a 5th or 6th generation version of this virus. And this would all happen thanks to the greed of the drug industry here in the United States. This has to stop. We have to somehow find a way to put an end to this. Congress has to take action here. And we need to be calling on them every single day to prevent this from happening. We already paid for that COVID-19 vaccine. And if we need to pump a little bit more money into it to start sending it to other countries as well, do it. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with my tax dollars going to inoculate poor countries. I have no problem with that because it benefits all of us. This is a massive humanitarian crisis, the likes of which we have not seen in most of our lifetimes. We developed this vaccine. We helped to pay for it. We owe it to the world to show them that the United States is capable and caring enough to do this for them. A little bit of goodwill never hurt anybody. But if we let the pharmaceutical industry get away with their greed and their plans, then yeah, that's probably going to hurt everybody.